Kani gade kapati CCTV, bat pidang pek yaki kubor baman kasni.
Menteri Sorkar bakmi yakatnat ka koi kekhia jongani ke Jylla Meghalaya uba alheng ulai thu baka Sorkar Assam ka Mynjur ban ash phosit shaki Samla Pule jong ke Jylla Meghalaya yakni uba alheng kula penpau leng baki katto katni kinong pathai kubor ha ka jing kendo bat u ha ka arpnyo trek menta unaitung hadin bu layo pedang da kasithi no menteri ka Sorkar Assam ubadikmi yakatnat ka koi kekhia watla kani ke jing aktien jong Sorkar Assam kala kampen stingi ka Sorkar Meghalaya Henry nakalyang uba alheng ula banjur baka Jylla Meghalaya kadai banyo laka jong kabha kabaki Samla Pule Mbbs kadai banyo kata kasiphosit
Wong yo ka city na po honorable minister jong Assam Himanto Kumar Biswa mo ong ban aitang arsit nagam daga medical seat po ilum tagi student jong ka Meghalaya kota Jenya unga kumnula na sit amba babaro sigata ngingi yo sphosit akan mau haga mention nem aga pol banga kram longju health minister apo kajing long chief minister Dr. Mbbs Samla aga ba I congressional warji lokum health minister kata kadi keju kajing ya ga ba Assam government go on atang arsit tika Sorkar Meghalaya ka manse banlet sa Supreme Court panapir Supreme Court hadu banayo ya ga verdict dan ruling Supreme Court banyo biang ya kata ka sipo pligisit taga mentanga Meghalaya kota. Di mentaga siro ka jab yang po jeng long chief minister honorable chief minister kondat sama manganga long biang ko mahal minister iyo yang ya taga city boong bayu ka Meghalaya ngin aitan arsi. Adit menglayo ya taga city ngala to immediately ka city jau Himanto Kumar Biswa ngala phone personally ngala call yo bangala om. Bangi barbon iyo exposit last year Ru Kamayangi he have to knock the door of the Supreme Court. I didn't know you Mingbaga Court. But this time I request you, we are friend and we are also from the same party. Nonga kumno di ban I bet yangi bro exposi. The South Sea Mutual Phone have already organized each seat for you. So 2 seats I'm trying to mobilize. No man. We need 10 seats, we have to give us for 10 seats only. Hadu kabang yang padio laga jong ke State Medical College jadi banyo ahi siposit. Te menne gasngi uf layo jingtip bawa ong bala ai yangi bora siposit ke medical seat naga banda ka Meghalaya State. Dekat ko mujur sutu juga nak office jong Himanto Kumar Biswa kila la mil ngasarai siapa principal secretary dan additional chief secretary buat pita ringti jong health department jaga health department dan benda ban yo ya kataga mail ban confirm mangila yo bro exposit tambanga on telefon ngala yo confirm mangin yo bro exposit